Get someone addicted to you, but please proceed with caution. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. I know Christmas has just ended at the time of this recording. It's not even New Year's yet, but I have something special to tell you about. It's called the Valentine's Day Miracle. Now, we did this 2 years ago, and people from all over the world got together with their specific person. I mean, marriages were healed, relationships were fixed, people that were ghosting each other stopped ghosting each other. We had one person that hadn't heard from their specific person in, I think it was 2 or 3 years. And that person called within the week. So we're going to teach you the one thing that you must do and must have in order to attract your specific person. We're going to be together for 90 minutes. The Valentine's Day Miracle. Check it out, the valentinesdaymiracle.com. The website isn't even up yet, but you can get your reservation in right now. So, high flyers, let me start with a warning. What I'm about to share with you works on almost anyone. But if you use it from a position of insecurity, if you use this from a position of neediness or ego or the desire to control someone, then proceed with caution because what goes around comes around. And when you use the energy of the universe in the wrong way, it begins to affect you in ways that you don't want. You see, this is not about control. This is about becoming energetically unforgettable. Oh, I love that word. Unforgettable. I can't sing anymore. I might break some copyright infringements or something like that. But I just want to say that that's a beautiful word. Unforgettable. That's what you're going to become. Unforgettable. Forget about becoming. You are unforgettable. Write it in the comments down below. I am unforgettable. So, what happens is when a person associates you with a specific state of consciousness, an emotional state that they enjoy, that feels good, they begin to crave it over and over and over again. They want more of it. They can't stop. That's the law of attraction. That's the law of attracting to you by being the highest version of yourself. And it's misunderstood by most law of attraction gurus who just want you to want. But it's not just about wanting, it's about becoming. Here's the truth that no one tells you: people are not really addicted to people. As I said earlier, they're addicted to the feeling that they feel when they're around certain people. You see, when you're around the right person, you feel calm, you feel confident, you feel excitement, you may feel sexual arousal, safety, love, joy, excitement, enthusiasm, expansion, abundance. Those are the good feelings. And that's what you are. You see, your job isn't to chase someone. I don't chase, I used to chase people. Did you know that? Rachel, did you know that I used to chase people? But I don't chase anybody anymore. I simply focus on becoming more the source of energy that people want to be around. that people want to learn from. That's why we have a waiting list for people that want one-on-one coaching and mentoring. I mean, they're literally waiting for an opportunity. So when that opportunity happens, it happens for a moment, a brief moment, and then it's gone because it's passed on to someone else. Because I'm not chasing. I don't need to chase. You don't need to chase either. So, high flyers, now I'm going to share with you a little known technique called the familiar energy loop. Familiar energy loop. Write that down. Most attraction techniques, even some of the ones that I teach, focus on visualization of the outcomes. This technique, now watch, this technique is different. It focuses on imprinting emotional familiarity. And why? Well, because the human brain is wired, it's literally created to crave what feels familiar, what feels comfortable, what feels safe, what feels slightly elevated. And here's how it works. One, choose. You choose. Don't let anybody else choose for you. Choose your emotional signature. Ask yourself one question. One question. How do I want people to feel after they interact with me? Not during, after. In other words, once the interaction is done, how do you want them to think about you, feel about you, remember you? Here's some examples: calm and grounded, inspired and expansive, seen and understood, energized and alive. Choose one primary feeling: calm and grounded, energized and alive, seen and understood, inspired and expansive. And let that become your signature. Now, let's pause for a moment. What are 2 words, 3 words that describe your signature? In other words, your signature is what you want them to feel after being with you. Write them down below. Write them down right now. Tattoo them on your arm, but make them yours. So next is you generate it first. This is the key. You can't transmit what you don't embody. In other words, you can't transmit this energy, whatever it is: arousal, excitement, attraction, love, calmness, gratitude, whatever it is, if you don't have it within you. Before any interaction, before any texting, before seeing them, before even thinking about them, think about how you want them to feel about you. That's your emotional signature. Spend 2 to 3 minutes generating that feeling within your own body, not by thinking about them. We spend too much time thinking about our specific person and not thinking about how we want them to feel. It's different. When you think about your specific person, you're thinking about your wants. When you think about how you want them to feel, you're thinking about their desires, their wants, their craving. Let that feeling fill your chest. Breathe it in. Straighten out your posture. This tunes you to your frequency. Feel it. Embody it. Embellish it. Make it yours. The next step: release the need to impress. This is where most people sabotage themselves, high flyers. You see, when you try to impress or persuade or perform, your energy contracts. But when you allow that signature, that new energy that you've embodied to just flow freely, it expands. I allow them to associate this feeling with my presence. No force, no expectation, just alignment. Perfect, loving alignment. Now, the next step is to end interactions a little bit earlier than you would normally do. This is subtle. This is powerful. So listen to what I'm saying. Do not drain the moment dry. If you're talking to them, if you're texting with them, if you're spending time together, leave when the energy is still elevated. That's when it's time to say goodnight or to end the conversation. The brain hates emotional loops. This creates a positive anticipation without manipulation. You see, they begin to think, oh my God, I want to feel that way again. And their subconscious mind connects the dots. The more I talk to him or the more time I spend with her, the better I feel. They start to crave you. Well, they start to crave that feeling within them that you have helped them feel through your emotional signature. So it's important to understand what you want others to feel from you, especially your specific person, to write that down into words and to make that your signature and to you and think about it every time you're going to get together with them, talk to them, reach out to them, whatever the case may be. Am I making them, helping them feel those special feelings? So here's a final warning. Warning! If you use this technique to fill a void in your life, to control outcomes, to prove your worth, it will collapse. You have to do this honestly. The choices that you make about how you want others to feel when they're around you must be honest, must be truthful, must be real. Okay, now, there's one thing that if you do this, I can promise you, you will be in a deep love relationship in 2026 with your specific person. And I'm going to share it with you. All you have to do is join me for 90 minutes. The Valentine's Day miracle. It's coming. Now's the time to grab your high flyers. Now is the time to grab your reservation. Now's the time to take inspired action. The Valentine's Day miracle. Okay, .com. Put the .com on there. Okay, I love you. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. It's not over with yet. Keep celebrating because 2026 is going to be an incredible year for you. I believe that. I know that. That's my intention. And I'm going to be here more often, every day, as often as I possibly can, to help empower your life, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.